Remote work is the new work trend, and business have adapted it very smoothly. However, with new solutions come new challenges, and managing remote teams is one of them. In this video, we are going to share 10 best practices for building and managing a remote team so that you can maximize your remote team's potential. Define the team's purpose. A remote team's purpose should be well defined, so everyone knows their roles and how they can contribute to the prevalent goal. Create detailed job descriptions. Job descriptions help ensure that everyone concurs on the expectations of their role to the reporting structure. So it is essential for building and managing a successful remote team. Find the right people. A successful remote team needs people with the right skills and attitude. Make sure you invest the time and resources into this process to hire the best candidates. Use video conferencing. Video conferencing is one of the best tools for managing a remote team. It allows team members to stay connected and communicate in real time, no matter their physical distance. Invest in project management software. With United Project Management Software, you can easily assign tasks, manage deadlines, track progress, communicate with team members, and more. Encourage collaboration. Collaboration is the key for teams to work together effectively, regardless of location. Hence it is important to encourage collaboration when working remotely. Set clear expectations. Setting clear expectations will ensure everyone agrees and knows what tasks must be completed and when. Hold regular team meetings. Holding regular team meetings helps to keep the remote team updated with the progress and ensures everyone is aware of their roles and responsibilities. Provide feedback. A remote team can be incredibly beneficial for businesses, allowing them to access talent from anywhere in the world. Celebrate successes. Team members need to feel like they are being recognized and rewarded for their hard work. Building and managing a successful remote team requires dedication and hard work, but it can be gratifying. By following these 10 best practices, you can manage your remote team efficiently.